This problem is all about arithmetic progression. They said if the first and the last term of an arithmetic progression with d equal to 1.5 are 2.5 and 19 respectively, how many terms has AP? So now you can pause the video, solve it, and look at what is the solution to this particular problem. Now let's begin. We have our d to be 1.5. Now they said the first term and the last term, the first term, which is a, is 2.5, and they said the last term, which is the nth term, is 19. Now they said how many term is in this sequence. So now what we're going to do is, we know the formula for arithmetic progression. The n term is equal to a plus n minus 1 times what, d. Now we have our a to be 2.5 plus n minus 1 times d, which is what, 1.5, is equal to what, 19, because the nth term is what, 19. Now, so that means 2.5 plus 1.5 n into 1.5 times n minus 1 is equal to what, 19. Now let's say if you multiply both sides by 2, you have 2 times 2.5 will give you 5, plus 2 times 1.5 will give you 3, n minus 1. 2 times 19 will give us what, 38. So what we're going to do is that we move this 5 to this other side of the equation. So you have 3 times n, bracket open, n minus 1 is equal to 38 minus 5. So it now implies that 3 times n minus 1 is equal to what? So 38 minus 5 will give us what? 33. So divide all through by 3. 3 will cancel out this. You have n minus 1 on the left hand side. Then on the right hand side, 3 divide this 1. 3 divide this is 11. So you have n minus 1 equal to 11. So n minus 1 is equal to 11. So if you move this minus 1 to this other side, you have n is equal to what? 12. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.